Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's tin, we will be finishing up our series on the Iberian Hot and Spiced tins. Today's and final tin is a Mussels and Spicy Pickled Sauce. That sounds good. These are from Palacio de Oriente, which means the Eastern Palace in Portuguese. Interesting facts about this type of pickling with tin pickling is, in the, I think, mid-1500s, the Portuguese Jesuits brought missionaries to Japan and introduced, on the trip over, they had to have pickled food to last, I don't think tins existed yet, but pickling did, so pickled jars, let's say. And they introduced this type of pickling to Japan. Japan had their own pickling, but they introduced this to them, and from that, Japan developed some of the most unique pickling techniques in the world. I actually have a video for you guys to check out. This is pretty rare footage. They don't let this out very often because it's proprietary. They don't want anyone to know how they're getting some of their pickled foods. So go ahead and check this out real quick.
Oh no, it's the Japanese!
Dolphin! You dolphin!
I haven't seen that footage before. That was the first time both of us were seeing that. I should have had a disclaimer, but I didn't think it was going to be so graphic. But I think I'm going to leave it in there. So, anyways, we'll get right into today's tin. This one's more round, oval shaped, kind of like I would expect it to be. The other ones are rectangular with the curved edges or corners, excuse me. This one looks like your typical, cartoon tin. First look, quite red. This one's a little pickly. See if I can decant this without ripping it off. The oil splashes everywhere when I rip it off. Oh, that's a great decant, which you guys fucking missed. Fucking amateur. My producer's upstairs getting her diaper changed. That's on me. But yeah, let's take a look at these. They look good. The mussels, they look healthy. Nice and soft. Got a little green in them. Hope that's okay. All right, bon appetit. Let's see how they are. I can definitely taste the pickled and the spice. These are probably the most flavorful I've had so far out of this pack. It's got that clean cut clam taste. Everyone's favorite clammy taste. The mussels, but you know what I mean. Interesting little pickle taste on it. And still not super spicy. I'm a big fan of spice, so I'm still giving these a 2. But overall taste, I'd say 4 out of 5. These would be good on crackers. I'm out of crackers right now, but I like to do all my tastings raw, unadulterated. So nothing's masking the flavor, so I can give you a full, true review. Yeah, so that being my last tin from Iberia, I'm gonna have to get some more for you guys. I'm out of tins, so be surprised tomorrow. See what we can find at the store. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.